Today we are unboxing this LED projector, Ultra HD High Dynamic Range LED projector. This is a convenient small projector that you can use for home use or whenever you travel. It comes with the projector and some accessories over here inside this box. We have the power cable, the manual, remote control for the projector. So the projector has power button over here and some other ports. So we have an HDMI port that you can connect with a screen or with a laptop. It has a microphone button over here. This is the power button, and we have a USB cable port over here, and this is the power port where you can connect this power cable. So as you can see over here, this is how you can change the position of the projector. And as you can see over here, it has a screen. First we have to remove this protective plastic over here, and we will test our product. And on the remote control we have a power button over here, mute button. We'll see what this does. This is a mouse. It's okay. Left, right, up and down, back, menu, home button, volume down and volume up button. Okay, let's test how this works. Okay, now the projector is on. As you can see, the remote control doesn't come with its own battery, so you have to use your own AAA 2 batteries. So it has Netflix is already installed, YouTube, you have Google Play Store over here. So this projector's operating system runs Android. So just sign in with your Google account and install any app you want. If you want additional apps, you can go here, applications, and see what other apps are there. This is AI Cast if you want to cast or mirror your phone or any other device on this projector. This is source. If you press this, and then you will see which source to connect with, whether it's HDMI, whether it's another source that you have that you're trying to connect with the projector. You have Disney Plus installed, you have File Manager. Miracast is another casting or mirroring app to connect any kind of device with your projector. Netflix, you have Play Store, you have YouTube and Prime Video as well. Let's go into settings and see what options we have. This is if you want to connect to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Second option, time and date, sound, projection settings, language settings, about the Android device, about the device, any settings, all the apps, more setting options over here. And one thing I like about this projector is that when you turn it on, it automatically adjusts its screen, the shape. So this is it has an auto tune or auto adjust function, and the circle, that's this is the device information, the product model, the Android version, the kernel version, the build number. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM. This is the system specification. Okay, here I have pressed the mouse button on the remote over here. If you press the mouse button, then you can use the cursor like this. Trying to move the cursor to the Disney app over here. So the reason it's a little bit dim right now is because it's daytime, and my window is open. Otherwise it's very bright, it's very clear, and it supports 4K as mentioned on the specification. So the reason it's not opening the Disney app is because it's not connected to my Wi-Fi. Otherwise, this is an amazing device, convenient, easy to carry with you, whether you are doing a presentation in a classroom or have a meeting. Just simply connect your phone to the projector and do the presentation, or if you want to entertain yourself, go anywhere, just carry it with you and watch movies from your phone or by connecting to the Wi-Fi, and